Hutchison River Parkway here. And yeah, you can't see anything. And the road is moving 7 miles an hour, maybe 5. And we got about another 90 miles to go till we're home. This is a lot of fun. We got Daryl, the superhero driver, over here. James Budd in the back seat somewhere over there with the baby. Oh wait, there's no baby here, just us. And yeah.
We got Jason too.
And we got me, of course, the videographer. And so after we passed those people doing 5 miles an hour,
we are the only
all of a sudden now we're the only car on the road. I don't know where all those cars just went. Finally at the bridge. 2.5 hours later. So I drove to work in the dark this morning, and it looks like I'm going to be driving home in the dark today.
There's a couple, but not very many. Brian,
yeah, just quickly, you were talking about the, if whether it's easier to get the game over with ahead of time, move it up.
Yeah.
Who would have to make the call, and would the team have to sign off? Like,
the teams don't have any say.
so do you think that?
No say. If the league signs off, they play. That's how it works.
Yeah, no.
Lauren said she wants to see the driver. She probably thinks there's I'm in her car or something. Say something, Dow.
What's up?
What's up? What's up?
This is brutal.
This is brutal. We've been driving since 12:45.
Take a picture of the chick in the back.
Yeah, don't tell her about the chick in the back. Oh, she's sleeping.
She's trying to sleep.
Totally crazy here. So in case you guys didn't know, the sign ahead tells us there's a winter weather advisory. In case nobody else on this road knew, that's been driving for however long they're driving for. Hi, babe.
Hi, babe. How's it going?
It's nasty out here, but I'm almost home.
Yay. Okay, dinner's waiting for you.
Thank you, babe.
You wanna do? Got her friend wanna sleep in. And that cool. Longer we got room. I need like 2 cups. No prunes. They heard I got juice. How can I lose? If everybody gets you. Pass the tech, cause I cheat when I need it.
Oh my God.